Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our orthogonal lines for our remnant and how to set that up. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, this is the file from our previous video where we looked at adding a remnant file. Now, in this file, we're going to be looking at how to change that remnant to a more orthogonal approach, or as they call it here, let's just quickly, Orto, O-R-T-O. I'm not sure how you're supposed to pronounce that. Now, this feature pretty much, if I had to sum it up, what it does is it pretty much locks your remnant lines to vertical and horizontal angles, so 90 degrees, and the in-betweens like the 45s and that it does not allow. So this helps for a nice clean finish. So if you don't want to do it at jagged edges like the previous one, then you can use this. Now the way we use this, you can either click on it already before you click your remnant file, or you can click your remnant to add one and then click it. But I like to click it first to know what's happening. Then I'm going to click on my remnant and it's going to ask us that same question again. So this time I want it still from my vertical line, so I'm going to say yes. Then I'm simply going to click here on the actual design. Now I'm going to click here next to it. Now let's say I want to click here in a 45-degree angle. You will see it automatically takes it to a downwards, or if I'm close to the upwards, a sideways angle. So it limits its direction to basically 90-degree angles, which can be very handy, like I said, for a very clean finish. So we can do like something on this line. But something to keep in mind is you can also go and switch it off again. So if I go, so zoom in here, deselect that, now we can carry on with our normal way of doing it. So we can finally cut around. So what happens is this becomes great for like large areas where you need to have a way more, what can you say, clean lines. And then you can always use this. So just making sure you deselect it, otherwise it will do it for all of it, or select it if you want to make sure you do it for all of it. And then once you're done, you can obviously just click outside the cutting plane and it will ask you to save it. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the orthogonal lines, or ortho lines as they pronounce it or put it. And like I said, just a quick recap, it pretty much limits your lines to horizontal and vertical directions. And make sure you click it, and then, or make sure it is clicked when you're using it on your actual remnant feature. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.